ASE Civil was born out of frustration. Through the years, I've used various types of design software for subdivisions and commercial sites, and they all fell short in one way or another.
ASE Civil has had a positive impact on my productivity. Prior to using ASE Civil, what took a team of approximately 2 or 3 people a week to do, I can now accomplish with one person in about a day and a half.
There are a lot of design programs, a lot of labeling programs, but nothing that really tied everything together. So users and designers were always left with a lot of manual work to do before they could get a finished product out the door.
The ease at which a design can be created and then turned into final plans is tremendous.
With ASE Civil, I'm able to adjust an entire site, even as little as a couple of 2/10, and regenerate paving, grading, sewer plans, all within a day.
Once you export your design information from your design drawing, it literally takes 2 or 3 seconds in most cases to create a finished profile drawing.
Being able to generate the Pipeworks profile within ASE and using them both together has really, I think, saved a lot of work, that you now have paving profiles and sewer profiles in one drawing.
You cannot afford not to have this program. It will save you so much time. You just have to see it work to really appreciate how much it's really doing for you.
ASE Civil Design software is a unique solution specifically geared towards acceleration of the subdivision vertical design and production process. After rigorous testing by some of the premier civil consulting firms in the southwestern United States and Mexico, this tried and true solution has proved itself over and over again as the most efficient, dependable, easy to use, stable, error-free LDD enhancement available for ultra-fast grading design, production, and redesign. Implement ASE Civil's interactive vertical design management system exclusively or in conjunction with LDD database definitions to automatically set and adjust design marker point objects throughout the site. Use the linking feature to create vertical constraints between key points or through an entire alignment. Visualize the real-time changes to design slopes and drainage directions with ASE Civil's self-updating flow label objects. Drawing-specific data storage methods allows engineers to explore various design concepts simultaneously in the same project. Simply export the design data from the concept drawing that will be used. Export a single alignment or the entire site to make data accessible to others throughout the project. Creating profiles from the exported design data couldn't possibly be any easier. Use ASE Civil's flagship feature, the Profile Generator, to instantly create complete finished profiles. Branch PVI labels as needed for legibility or make manual edits to the label information. Every modification is memorized for all subsequent profile generation cycles. Quickly create memorized profile surface descriptions with ASE Civil's intelligent line work labeling feature. Getting finished profiles on the improvement sheets and then adjusted for legibility takes only a few seconds. After the correct profiles are attached to the improvement sheet, ASE Civil will build and manage a complex array of predefined viewports. ASE Civil's display setups were specially designed for displaying profiles in the configuration and style of your choice. Since external referencing is used, the latest design changes are in place and ready to plot as soon as the drawing is opened. When it comes to vertical design changes, ASE Civil will prove to be an indispensable asset to your company. This application allows CAD designers and engineers to raise or lower an entire site, or even hinge a site around specified grade breaks. It will then automatically adjust all design points and grade labels, then regenerate 3D objects usable for earthworks calculations. All finished pads and finished floor labels, top of curb labels, and roadway labels are automatically updated with accurate elevations and without the need for a single manual calculation. Complex finished roadway profiles can be updated with the latest design data with a single mouse click. There's no need for manual drafting, text or attribute editing, copying, moving, or trimming whatsoever. Grading plan labeling created in separate drawings may also be updated with the latest design data in seconds. Overall, ASE Civil's powerful data management and sharing features enable single users to adjust, update, and replot 50 or more sheets of grading and paving plans in the same day, error-free, without a single manual calculation or manual edit. Changes that used to take several people days or even weeks to complete can now be accomplished in hours or even minutes by a single individual using ASE Civil. If your organization uses AutoCAD and LDD to develop residential, roadway, or commercial projects, you simply must have this tool to stay competitive. Without it, you may potentially be throwing away time and valuable resources on unnecessary manual drafting, editing, calculations, and error checking.
The product support for ASE Civil has been fantastic. I find that any issue that I have is quickly addressed.
ASE Civil is tremendous in this area. I haven't used any software that has given better support, more timely upgrades, and it's just been tremendous with technical support.
Probably the most powerful aspect of ASE Civil is the ability to update your plans almost trouble-free. All you've really got to do is modify your vertical design by manipulating the design points. Everything else after that is completely automated. So literally, one person could raise or lower or even hinge a site, and in the same day, less than a half a day, I've seen it done, you can completely update 30, 50 sheets of paving, grading plans, have them plotted and ready to go out the door, including the earthworks.
If I were not able to use ASE Civil, production would suffer. It would be very difficult to go back to whatever means were used before ASE Civil came along.
It would be very difficult to go back to the pre-ASE Civil days. I find that the productivity has increased so dramatically that it would be very difficult to not use ASE.
Once you've used ASE Civil on a project and realized the tremendous savings in resources, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. This introduction to ASE Civil only scratches the surface of the application's capabilities. To find out more about this unique solution, visit our website at www.edi-innovations.com.